Hey guys, it's Johnny Flash from SRT Mafia. I'm going to give you a quick do-it-yourself for anybody who has SRT or any kind of SRT with similar door lock switches or window switches like this. Simple tools, flathead screwdriver, dikes or cutters, and from your original pin that you take out of your switch, which I'll show you in a second. It's the original pin in there. See that silver, that's where the original pin goes. You're gonna go to the store or in your household, you're gonna find some nails that are similar in diameter. You want it closer the better. I found 17 by 3/4 to be as close as I can get without spending too much time. Now this is to save you some money. I paid $2 for these nails. This window switch is $9, can go up to $20. This door switch, this door lock switch, I've seen go up to $30 to $35. Kind of ridiculous when all it is your pin is sticking closed and you can replace them. Simple as this. Take the nail that you have. You want to, let's get a close up. You want to overlap it right there because these original pins have a slight hump. I don't know if you can see it. They have a slight hump on them. And flathead nails don't, obviously. So you want to overlap that just like that, right? And so you just want to, as soon as you get done, you grab it, you line up with your fingers, you line up like that, you pinch them, bring them up, you cut them, you're done. The only thing you want to do after that is, as you can see, this is my finished product here. I have a slight little top part that's a little bit of a hill. You want to get these pins as flat as you can without taking off too much. And I'll show you the finished product from the original pin to what I came up with. Okay, so this is pretty close. Nothing's going to be perfect. It's not an exact science. This is as close as you can get. And this is what I already have done already. As you can see in there, it's silver. Let me get a better look. There it is. And they work just fine. It's to save you some money, guys. If you have any better way of doing this, please let me know. Leave a comment or anything I did wrong. Or if you've already tried this and it hasn't worked, well, I guess I'm going to find out. Alright guys, good luck.